Crater Lake movie by Nicholas Dolan. Crater Lake was formed by Mount Mazama, which was made by many volcanoes. It was made about 500,000 years ago. The first eruptions of Mazama created a mountain named Scott. Why would they name a mountain named Scott? That's tasteless. I would name it Ed. So, Scott and his volcano buddies became extinct after the increasing eruptions, and more volcanoes progressed in the west. In the south of the crater lake, the layers of the lava flows that they created can be viewed today. During Mount Mazama's birth, we had some glaciers making the trademark U-shaped valleys. Some of these valleys looked really hot, as they were filled with lava flows, whilst others decided to stay normal, like the Notch Kerr and the Sun Notch. Where did they even come up with these names? 30,000 years ago, silica-rich lava named rhyodacite, again with the names, decided to say hello, which made explosive eruptions, which led to volcano cataclysm. Later, not sure when, stop asking, a thick layer of pumice and ash from an eruption that made the Crater Lake caldera blankets made a lot of the caldera rim. More pumice and ash deposits from older explosive eruptions. 7,700 years ago, Mount Mazama made a vent in the northeast side of the volcano, which shot out pumice like a geyser 30 miles up. 50 kilometers up. Winds took the pumice and ash to the Pacific Northwest and Canada, more of a southern part of it. Way too much magma was shot out. Too much that the volcano collapsed in on itself. Guess what? Cracks appeared in a circular way. More magma raced through these cracks, down to the pyro flows. Deposition from the lava flow filled the nearby valleys around Mount Mazama to about 300 feet up. 100 meters. Of pumice and ash, more magma came and made a volcanic depression, a caldera, 5 miles in diameter and 1 mile deep, 1.6 kilometers. So later, more eruptions occurred, and then cooled down, till rain and snowmelt came down and filled the caldera for hundreds of years. The vents kept up with the water, and the lake deepened, till eventually the Chaskey Bay landslide, top you can see at Crater Lake, dived in to the beginning of Crater Lake, and then more rain and snow has filled in ever since. No, this is not all of the history of Crater Lake. This is just this is the geological history. What now?